Today, we're talking about a car that's become a legend in its own right, the 1992 Honda Accord Wagon. Believe it or not, this 30-year-old wagon has clocked almost 1 million miles. Yeah, you heard that right, 1 million. That's more than most cars dream of doing in their entire lifetime. In this video, we'll look at how this old Honda made it this far, what makes it so durable, and whether it can actually hit that 1 million mile mark. Let's start with some background. The 1992 Accord Wagon was part of Honda's golden era when reliability was everything. This particular car has spent most of its life in the Carolinas, which is great because there's not much road salt there. That means less rust and a longer life. It's now up for auction on Bring a Trailer, showing around 965,000 miles on the odometer. What's shocking is how clean it still looks. The paint's holding up, the seats are worn but not trashed, and under the hood, it's still running the original 2.2-liter engine. That's the F22 motor, the same one that made Honda famous for building cars that just don't die. Let's talk about what makes this thing so tough. Honda's F22 engine is known for being bulletproof. It's not flashy, but it's built like a tank. This wagon's transmission has been replaced twice, which honestly is totally normal after nearly 1 million miles. The suspension's been rebuilt a few times too, but the core of it, the engine block, has never been opened up. That's insane reliability. It shows what consistent maintenance and good driving habits can do. Oil changes, fluid checks, and basic care. That's the real secret behind any forever car. So here's the big question. Can this car actually make it to 1 million? The Bring a Trailer listing says it's sitting at 965,000 miles, and the next owner could be the one to push it over that magic number. It's not just about hitting 6 digits. It's about proving what quality engineering and real maintenance can achieve. Most cars are lucky to survive 200 or 300,000 miles. But this Accord is different. It's living proof that old-school Honda reliability still means something. There's a lesson here for all of us. Not every shiny new car is reliable, and not every old car is junk. Reliability is earned by both the maker and the owner. Honda built something special in the 90s, and this wagon is the perfect example. It's what happens when solid engineering meets consistent care. No fancy tech, no marketing, just a car built to last. So, could you drive your car for 1 million miles? This old Accord wagon proves it's possible. It's not just a car anymore, it's a story. A story about patience, discipline, and trust in good engineering. And honestly, whoever kept this car alive deserves serious respect, because this isn't just a Honda. It's proof that true quality never dies. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and tell me in the comments what's the highest mileage you've ever driven. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.